Good morning, guys. It's Sunday. It's coming up to 8 AM. Oh yeah, so I'm going to get myself up in a moment. I've got Liam and Lacey in the bed here, messing about. They come for a cuddle, but instead of a cuddle, like I said, they're messing about. I've got Ben the bear with them. Cover them back up. And Safe's in her bedroom, charging her tablet, watching something on YouTube. But now Rach should be home in about half an hour, but I need to get up. I need to get the vegetables done because Mum and Bill are coming for lunch today. Looking forward to that. Oh yeah, I love it when they're here. It just makes the day so much better. So, yep, got to get up and get sorted and get the kids some breakfast. Hello, Ben the bear. Morning, Safe. You right down there, darling? I'm wanting to let Scruff out, but I'm not sure he's going to go out. Because look at this horrible weather. Oh, he has gone out. It was raining. Yeah, all the leaves are just about gone now, Lacey.
Hey, some leaves fall off last night.
Oh, he didn't stay out long, look. Yeah, there's only a couple hanging on now. Porridge again for breakfast these guys are having. Soon warms you up that does. Oh yes it does. Apparently it's meant to get quite cold in the UK this week, but we'll see. Well, probably not cold to some of you guys, some of the temperatures you get, but it'll be pretty chilly for us. I hope. I like it. Rach is home now and we're getting a wiggle on. Rach is just peeling the carrots and stuff. We're going to get the vegetables ready. I'm also running a bath. The kids are going to have the bath this morning instead of later. Good night? No, it's good morning. You don't want it to be night yet, do you? Yeah. You're wishing it to be night, and then when you wake up next, it's school day. Then again, he loves school, so that's probably what he wants. So yeah, we're going to get wiggling. So me and Rach are really getting things done. We've done all the veg and stuff. Going to put the meat in about 10 o'clock-ish. It's 25 to 10 now, but I decided that I'm going to clean the hamster out, and I don't know why, because I've already hoovered up and stuff, so it's all nice and tidy now, making a mess, but don't matter, I'll just leave the hoover out and re-hoover up after. Get this stinky thing cleaned out. That's everything done for now, guys. So, like I said, lunch is all prepared, the hamster is nice and clean, the house is nice and tidy and clean. Scruff Bag didn't succeed in getting the hamster again. He tried, but he didn't. And oh, saying that, Safe's not happy with the hamster. She was touching it while he was being cleaned out, and it bit her. And yeah, she wasn't too pleased about that. But I told her it's not a hamster's fault, it's because he doesn't get handled enough, you see, because of this monster. Hey? Yes. So anyways, time to have another drink and sit down and wait for the Val and Bill crew. It's 11:30 and the crew cuts are here. Hello, Dad. You alright? Yeah. He's got to help Bill. He's brought the printer for us so we can print Lacey's things off with a bear. Hello.
I'm getting wet still here waiting for you.
Come in. We printed some of the photos out on Mum and Bill's printer, so I'm going to cut them to shape later and stick them in. We've just got one more picture to take where Mr. Bear's going to have lunch with us. So, but talking about lunch, it's coming along nicely. I've just got to check on it. Rachel's making the stuff in there, and the older ones and the kids are retired to the room, watching telly. I think Mum wants to watch Miracle on 34th Street later. That's one of her favourite Christmas films. She's bribed the kids. She said if they're quiet, she said they can have some sweets. And she's brought some sweets. They'd get them anyway, but yeah. She loves that film. Anyway, I must go because I've got to check this dinner. Lunch is ready. Lovely roast pork. Look at that. Was it all good? Yeah. Yeah? Lacey, we need to get your Mr. Bear so we can take a picture with you, don't we? Yeah, shall we get your bear? He's got his dinner suit on, look.
We're going to sit him in the middle.
Here you go, Lacey. Where are we going to sit him? There?
Yeah.
Yeah? Right. I'm going to sit and enjoy. Dinner was lovely. On to pudding now. This, what is it? Black Forest Gatto with some cream. Yeah, very nice. I've done some of the washing up, but I was helped by Nanny. Thank you very much. So let's give this a whirl. Let's give this a whirl.
Don't like it then?
Don't you like it? That's the worst bit all done with. All the washing up and that. That's one thing I don't like about a roast dinner. So, Mum reckons that she wants to watch a Christmas film, like I said earlier. But we're taking bets on how much of it she'll see, because she'll fall asleep. She always does, don't you? How much do you bet, Bill, that she'll fall asleep? Do you think she will?
Yeah, so watch about 10 minutes at the most.
10 minutes, so we'll see. And I shall be on watch. I'll be vlogging to see if she falls asleep. You're having a nice cuddle with Nanny. They're creeping because they want the sweets. You watching the Grand Prix, Liam? He likes that. That's the printer all done with, so we've printed out all of Lacey's pictures with her bear, so we'll stick all them later on tonight. Very nice of Mum and Bill to lend us the printer. And now I've just come upstairs because I'm coming to get the treadmill, because I'd actually put it back upstairs as I'm not using it. And as you may know, it is actually my Mum and Bill's. And Bill said if you're not using it, he'll have it back because of his breathing things. He's meant to do breathing exercises, so he's going to walk on it to try and help him. So, yeah. There we are. Treadmill in the car. Oh, yes. Going to go and get the printer and put that in now. Then that's done for Mum and Bill. Thank you very much, Treadmill. You've done me well. You've done me proud. I'll probably see you again soon, after Christmas, when I've got a ho-ho-ho Billy. I was expecting to come back in and find Mum asleep, but she's not. She's eating. Oh, I love these. Chocolate. No, these are peanut M&Ms, yeah? Love these. I love it with nuts. Nuts. You like nuts?
Oh, yeah.
You like nuts?
Yeah.
It's alright. We're halfway through the Christmas film and she's gone, hasn't she? Who else has gone?
And Granddad.
That's right. Grandad's gone to sleep as well.
After this film, can we have the other Matilda?
Matilda, yeah.
It's a real one, Mrs. Look.
There's always kissing in these films, though. Always. Annie's snoring, isn't she?
How about letting your father is going to federal prison, and you know where you'll end up? Federal orphanage. You cooperate, we'll make sure it's a nice kind of food. Teeny weeny cockroaches. What do you say?
I didn't quite catch Bill on it, but between him and Mum snoring, they're playing slap musical instruments across the room. But anyway, I didn't realise it's about, I don't know, I think it's about 10 to 4 or something, but I'm going to put the kettle on for a cup of tea. Are they making you laugh? I think I've got to admit, though, I did fall asleep for 5-10 minutes. Hello? Did you enjoy your little nap?
Yeah.
Scruff kept licking you.
I know, he woke me up.
It was funny between you and Bill. I was saying it was like musical instruments across the room. Although I didn't catch Bill snoring like I did you.
Oh no.
Look at that beautiful sky. Wonderful. Time for Nanny and Grandad to go after their nice sleep. Did you enjoy dinner? Yeah. Okay. And they're taking some leftovers home with them. Can't really see it. Dark, isn't it?
Bubble and squeak and cold pop tomorrow.
Bye-bye then. Love you. As always, it was lovely to have Val and Bill here. Dinner was really good and that. Had a nice lazy afternoon. And now I've got stuff to be getting on with. Ironing school clothes and stuff. But I've just remembered actually, I was just talking about it. Sophie's not at school tomorrow. She's at hospital. So if any of you have ever watched my question and answer video, you'll know that where I mentioned something about when Sophie was born, she was premature and she has scarring on her kidneys and stuff, and she's been back and forth to the hospital for the last few years and that with that, so she's off for a checkup. So that's where we're off tomorrow. And Nanny and Grandad had taken us there. We were going to borrow the car, but they said they'd come along, so that's what's happening tomorrow. I'm proud of myself. So I've done the ironing. I've done Soph's clothes for tomorrow. I've done my clothes, Rachel's clothes, and I've done all the school clothes. Soph's school clothes ready for Tuesday. So yes, I haven't left it till morning, so I'm not going to be rushing about in the morning. And for Soph's going to the hospital, mate, because she has to have a checkup.
Because Soph didn't come out when Soph was born.
She came out too early, yeah, when she was born.
Why?
Because she did. Oh, explaining things to kids, eh? Fun, fun, fun. So yeah, for tea, they're just gone for cereal because they're not that hungry. And for my tea, I think I'm going to have some leftover pork in a sandwich.
Ben's eating my breakfast.
Oh, is Ben having some? Lacey's finally in bed and she's calmed down, hasn't you now? Give me a kiss. Say goodnight to everyone. Say goodnight.
No.
Good girl. See you in the morning, cutie.
No.
Last night with the bear. Right, guys, that's going to be the end for this one. We're going to go and finish off these pictures and writing with for Lacey's bear. What's his name? Ben. Mr. Ben. And then I'm going for a bath. So hopefully you enjoyed today's vlog, guys. If you did, click the like button. If you're new, please subscribe if you liked it. And have a great week ahead, guys. See you tomorrow. Peace.